everybody. This is real, definitely, really real. That is, he won't believe it. There's a newspaper about how our how our world is in danger. How our world's in danger. It's so real. Simply News. Earthquake happening. There's going to be an earthquake hitting NASA of England, the center of England. NASA sent out astronauts and saw the tectonic kind of snap. No, it's gonna be. This is real, people. This is real. It's £1 that I spent on this. £1 I spent on this newspaper from wish.com. What next? What next? My camera isn't focusing. Let me just read this off camera. There was already an earthquake, but only tiny. It destroyed this road on Chasman Street. One of the house owners said that we saw the earthquake. It was the end of the world. We wonder if the earthquake's going to be worse than this one. There's also going to be so stay safe in Washington. The tornado is slowly making its move to England. No! Here's a terrifying photo of the tornado in Washington. Look at it. Look at the tornado. It's so big. What else? This EF3 tornado has been going through buildings, construction sites, screens, and all sorts of things. Oh, what's it? More back to school supplies has risen to the max. A laptop for £405. Oh, in the House of Parliament, they are still debating if the prices could be so expensive or not. What the debate is this? Maybe because I don't know. How big is the tornado? This earthquake sadly killed 100 people. And injured 14. A girl called Dana was brutally killed by getting legs ripped apart when the earthquake split it open. Her mother wasn't watching, and she was heartbroken. She said, "I just saw like that. People, this is real." She's still in denial of what happened here, what happened to her daughter. She is now in isolation because she has gone crazy to the point she thinks a doll is her daughter, Dana. What the hell? They said Dana 5 minutes because the earthquake killed her. Let me show you the photo. Ow. Look at it. She was just an innocent 5-year-old girl. This is 5 minutes before the earthquake killed her. Mother Isabella was looking at her phone while Dina was going outside when the earthquake was starting. She went on the road and thought the earthquake was just a mistake with the earth. But she didn't know it was deadly. I'm sorry, guys. This is just so emotional. She stood on the road The earthquake made the road split. She was standing on right as within the two. Her mother went to jail for bad parenting. Well, yes, she should. What else? Crying because of this sadness. The fire tornado. Why? The fire tornado. The fire tornado created forest fires and made the people who tried to survive in the woods die because of the smoke. The fire tornado is the longest fire tornado. The weather last 10 hours. The fire tornado was called the longest fire massacre. Firefighters sent out their helicopters to put out the fire tornado. Luckily, the fire tornado went out and everyone was safe in Australia. Okay, good. The fire tornado was in our city, Birmingham. I don't live in Birmingham. Anyway, the construction workers are now dealing with a lot of issues. Building all the buildings and waste their family time on rebuilding the buildings. People's homes got destroyed and sadly people don't have enough money to pay to construction workers to fix their house. People have to spend their life savings rebuilding their home, which is very sad. I'm dying. Wait for a part 2.